Okay, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avish here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question is, can you walk me through a time when your cloud formation stack failed during deployment, and how did you approach debugging and resolving the issue? So tell me a time where cloud formation stack failed, you failed to deploy, and how did you approach debugging and resolving the issue? What did you do, roll back, or what happened then, and how did you debug the issue? So today we'll look at how to answer in star format. Star is situation, task, action, results. So what is the situation? I can say that I have faced this couple of multiple times in real life deployment where I tried to uh, deploy cloud formation template and it failed during deployment. So that's the situation. Then task. My goal is to identify the root cause of the failure. That is the first task, root cause of the failure, and then quickly resolve it and ensure that the stack could be redeployed again. So identify the root cause, fix it, and ensure that it redeployed again, and also make sure that no orphan resources were left behind to avoid unnecessary billing. It may happen that it was some resources got partially created, and if it is not cleaned up, it will affect the billing. It will cost money if I don't clean it up. So that is also another part of the task. Now action. What are the actions I have taken? Actions, I followed a structured approach. Whenever the stack creation fails, first go to event tab. So if you go to this cloud formation template, and here I have created a stack and it's already succeeded. But in case of failure, if you go to events tab in the AWS console, you'll be able to see one by one what happened. Create progress, and you can follow, and you can see where the failure exactly it happened. And once you identify that, you can see the chronological log of events. And from that event, you can identify where exactly the failure happened. Let's say there is a EC2 instance create failed. Then we need to categorize the error. Next thing, I will be categorizing the error. What kind of error? Whether it's a permission issue, access denied, resource limit, maybe quota exceeded, or configuration error, invalid value or something, or dependency error, missing security group or something. So it can be categorized into these four sections. And based on that, I will look into that, figure out where to look for the issue. If it is a permission denied, maybe some IAM role related issue, resource limit, maybe service quota got exceeded. So I will go and check there. Configuration, maybe MIID is not correct or something else. Dependency error, missing security group or any something is missing. So that I will check. So that way I'll be categorizing the issue, and it will help me focus on the exact root cause quickly. After that, I will fix and redeploy. And sometimes, like for complex stacks, sometimes I do disable rollback during stack creation to preserve the resources and inspect them if needed. This helps especially when debugging intricate dependency chains. So when you are deploying the stack, that time I can disable the rollback. And in rare cases, if rollback failed, sometimes I go and manually delete the resources that caused the rollback to fail. Sometimes rollback may fail, or generally it tries to roll back automatically. But if it fails, maybe because of some reason, again I can try to continue update rollback. But if it still fails, then I will go and delete the resources manually. So this is the approach, a structured approach. I was able to solve the issue quickly. So that is the final results. Redeploy the stack and also document the failure mode for future reference. So over the time, this method helps to minimize the downtime and improve team confidence during the deployment. So this is the answer. You use that format, star format, situation. You first discuss what is the situation. Then you discuss what is the task at hand. These are three tasks you want to do, right? Root cause of the failure, resolve the issue, and successfully redeploy, and no orphan resource so that no unnecessary billing. Then you take action, go to event step, categorize the errors, and finally, R is TAR. R is for results, the final results that you got the success. You were able to redeploy. So now let's go to the quiz section. Where should you look first when a cloud formation stack creation fails? So you have to look for cloud formation events tab. What is the default behavior when a cloud formation stack creation fails? What is the default behavior when a cloud formation stack fails? partial resources are written for debugging. All resources are preserved. Rollback is triggered to delete created resources. Stack is moved to archive state. What is the default behavior? Default behavior is a rollback is triggered to delete created resources. So that is the default behavior. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow LinkedIn page DevOps Challenge Hub. I post quiz and contests daily. You can participate in that, and you can also follow my WhatsApp channel DevOps Challenge Hub. I post updates regularly. So thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.